All right, everybody. Good morning from my side. This is Kenechiko again on the show. Today, I'm gonna be fulfilling many people's promise. No, no, is it many people's promise? No, I'm gonna be fulfilling many people's thoughts and what they want me to do. You understand? So we are gonna create an app. Yeah, an app which is going to stretch by series. I'm going to make it 10 minutes videos, but for now I don't know how long this one will take because we are starting up. We need to set things and we need to get it ready. So the app I want us to build is by name CodeRED. CodeRED is going to be an app, a real life app. We are still going to push it to the Play Store. Yeah, we're going to see every step and how I think, how you can follow my own thoughts to write your own code. This is going to really be fun, guys. I promise you that it's really going to be fun. And we're going to see how to switch screens, for those who don't know that, how to interact with other classes, how to interact with other screens, how to do ID widgets, blah blah blah, and how you can put Firebase, and how you can host it on Python anywhere, or you host it on your application. I prefer hosting it on Python anywhere for security reasons. Yeah, the key API, everything will be open. I'll make everything. No, the API key will not be open. Why would I make that open? But the source code is gonna be open, right? Everything is gonna be open. But the original one, which I'm going to be hosting, is the code. A copy of it will be open, but the one I'm hosting, no one will have access to it. Only me will have access to it until I see it needs other people help. Then we can grow it together. For now, we're going to build an open project, complete open source, CodeRED. What CodeRED does is to allow you to send an emergency distress call to people, to all the whole contacts on your phone. For now, we're only focusing on Android, right? Only on Android. So we're going to be sending distress call to people. Let's say, for example, you are being attacked, or you perceive that you're going to be attacked. You're going to press this red button on your phone, and it's going to send out text messages and calls. It will call, if you're in Nigeria, it will call 112. If you're in USA, it will call 911. Whichever country. I have a list of the whole emergency countries code. Call code. So something like that. So we're going to be developing this app, and it's going to be sending text messages to your parents, to your loved ones, to everyone on your contact. It's going to send message to Facebook too. It will post a public message to Facebook. Hey, I need some help. I'm gonna be dying. Two people wants to attack me. It will send your location. Also, the coordinates of your location so that people can track you easily. People know your last location. So this kind of idea popped out to my brain. I said, let us build it together. I don't know what might come out of this. I don't know whether the app is going to be awesome or not, but you guys are going to help me make it awesome. So without wasting much time, I already created a folder, a previous project named CodeRED. I think I'm going to delete that or rename it. Where is CodeRED? Yeah, here it is. We're really gonna. I don't really like the way I shape things here. Hey, bad boy, get out. Delete. So we're going to create everything from scratch. Yeah, boys. Okay, we're going to say new projects, and remember, we're going to get this. I'm not going to make it private like most of my projects. I do make it private. Yeah, my personal projects. Okay, but this one is going to be public. Now, what are the things that we're going to learn from this? We're going to learn how to build Android services. Yeah, most of you wants to hear that. And the notification I promised you guys, we're going to be putting it on this app supremacy. Yeah, you're gonna see that button thing, the application popping out of the screen like boom, and the image coming out in full, like the one you have in your Google forum or Google whatever. I don't know. Yeah. Excuse me, guys. Someone says I didn't do something. Let me pause this video quickly and attend to that person, please, guys. Okay, guys, back to business. Sorry for that. I was actually, it was a transaction that I made. I think the person has not received it, so I have to send an evidence that I've done the transaction. Actually, okay, guys. Let's get back to business. So we are gonna create a code, right? Like I was saying, we're going to learn how to use Android services. We're going to learn what again? Notifications. We're going to learn what again? What again, boy? How to switch screens, how to interact, or how to manipulate IDs. Ah, I love IDs a lot. And how to make a code simple, beautiful, and smart. Yeah, simple, beautiful, and smart. We're going to think smart right now. Yeah, I'm not promising you 100% accuracy, but I'm targeting 70%, 70% efficiency. You understand the point? That is what I'm targeting now. With your help, we might reach somewhere 99.9. Yeah, nobody gets 200. I've never seen someone who got something like 100. But I'm going to show you how I work around with the way I write my own code. You're going to see how everything works. Okay. Now, let's create this. Remember, I'm using Python for this project. Please, if you would like to fork my project, not my project anymore. Oh God! If you like to fork the community project, please, there are some standards I would like you to what is it called? To adhere to. Some standards I would like you to use. There is a standard that I use. So if you want to do the same, you have to use the same standards. Don't change anything. That is if you want to make a pull request to this, because I'm seeing this project as something big. I wanted to do it personal, but God, this phone, bro. I gotta take this, right? I gotta take this. So, as I was saying, we're going to get some standards, and it's going to match what we're actually doing. So focus on one goal, because I believe this one is more efficient than any other thing to me. But if you have a better one, you can create an issue. We talk on that, all right? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to first of all create a simple Kivy app. Mind you, this is going to cover the whole thing we are looking for. Someone is calling me again. I don't know why people are calling me like shit these days. That was one of my fucking disturbers. Yeah, sorry guys. I shot a lot. I know that. Okay, let's create our Kivy app. No, remember we're focusing on KivyMD. Yeah, I love the KivyMD library. Like you guys do. Yeah. I know you guys have a lot of questions. Yeah, but your questions are going to be answered in this video. That is why I'm trying to create a project series. We're not going to finish this in one day. I might even stop here for today, but I think if this video gets to 20 minutes, I will stop it. I don't want to make it too big. I don't want to make you to understand everything in one video. It is so stressful. I've gone through that pain. Yeah, so I'm going to break it down part by part. So for now, we're going to just create a structure of the app, right? From KivyMD the app, import MD app. Then from Kivy the lang import builder. Yeah. Place code red. Yeah. Retire and extremely dangerous. That is red. Whatever, guys. So I will say the build. Sorry if I'm not typing first. So I'm just creating the structure of the app. Yeah, code red. That's run. Most of you might say, why not use if main equals blah blah blah? We're not importing this as any module, so no need to put that. Let's continue to the topic. All right, now I love creating some folders here. That is one of the structures you have to adhere if you would like to contribute to this project. And please, if you're contributing, I must make a video of what you're contributing. If it is okay, I'll make a video of your whole code and explain it to my people how this thing works, because we can't just add something and then they will like, Oh, how did this thing come to be? It will be a fucking nightmare. All right. So we don't want nightmares. I'm going to create a directory. Uh, let me assets. Yeah, my tongue switched states, and I say directly. Yeah. So inside this assets, oh God, someone is knocking on my door. I'm coming. I'm coming. Guys, today is really gonna be spoiled for us today. I don't know. Okay, guys, I just got the food. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry for pausing the video for a very long time. Well, you won't even notice it, right? This is a video. So back to business. Uh, so as I was saying, we're going to create a few folders here. I'm just going to create a structure. I'll still show you guys the plan for this app. I've not created it. I had the idea before, but I'm going to recreate the idea again and then show you the plan, how we're going to structure some things, how we're going to set few things, and how we're going to connect the whole screens. Before you build an app, first of all, think about it, structure it in your mind. That is what we call UX design, user experience. How is the user going to interact with this app? How fast can we send red notification to people? How far can we send a distress call to our loved ones to get this message on email, on Facebook, on anywhere on the internet? That is what we're going to do, right? So we're going to create a font. Yeah, because we might want to use a separate font, you know. We're going to create image. Any other thing? I don't know. You might ask, why is this thing colored this way? My Python doesn't do that. Hey, download Atom. Atom icon. That is what makes this to look more beautiful. I love Atom icon. So we're going to create another new directory. Call it libs or lib. Lib. Then we're going to create another one. Call it Python package libpy. Yeah. Yeah, libpy is where we're going to be hosting our our screens, our Python code screens, Python screen widgets. And lib Kivy, I don't like calling libpy base class like most of the traditional ones, like KVMD core devs used to create it libkv and then call the other one base class. No, kv die and lib class. I mean base class. Then Kivy core devs used to call it data. I don't like calling it that way. I love calling it libpy and libkv. Yeah, I just love it that way. Yeah, please, and you must adapt to this if you want to fuck these projects or contribute. Yeah. Directory, new one. We're going to create a widget pie. No, delete, not you, new Python package widget pie. This is where we're hosting most of our custom Python code widgets, the widgets we created customly. Because if you create a widget in a KV, it will look more scattered, and let's say you want to add extra functionalities to it, you want to create an event on this, on that, you see that you have to call different IDs to locate it. We don't want that. We want to locate it straightforward. That's why we're creating this, to make it much simpler to access. We're making work easier for ourselves here. All right? Yeah. Then we're going to create another directory named widget KV. This is where we are going to be hosting the KV part of the widget. Most of the codes we are going to be writing on widget KV might not appear on widget py, because maybe it doesn't need extra functionalities to work, so you won't see it on widget py. Don't worry, you still understand everything. Now we're going to create tools. Yeah. Tools is going to host the custom functions that we call frequently. I've noticed something. I repeat a lot of code a lot. I repeat codes a lot. Yeah. I come in this same screen, I see myself doing the same thing. I come to this same screen, I see myself doing the same thing. I come to different screens, I do the same thing. Why not host it on a separate folder, call it as a function? Cool, right? You have to write it once, call it anywhere. That is the function of these tools. And these tools is still also going to host things like other tools will be using, something like text formatter, widget colorer, icon font manager, something like that, and a few other things. So for now, how many seconds or how many video? Yeah, 15 minutes. It's close. So for now, we're going to stop here for today. This is where we are, guys. I'm going to git this project. We are going to work on CodeRED. So guys, prepare yourself. When I mean prepare yourself, we are really gonna do something great. You're not gonna regret watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do subscribe. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you're missing out because you won't be getting the notifications. You'll be helping me to build the YouTube algorithm. You understand what I'm saying, right? You have to help me make a lot of things here. At least appreciate what I'm doing. All right? Oh, my Wi-Fi is off. My Wi-Fi is off. I'm gonna pause this video and then open up my Wi-Fi, then continue, guys. Back to coding, guys. Okay, my Wi-Fi is on. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is on. I'm going to reshare this. Yeah, I'm eating. Yeah. Mm-hmm. How many times have you seen someone eat on YouTube video? I mean, real food. I don't know. A developer writing code and doing YouTube videos and eating at the same time. African food for that matter. What the fuck? Load information for GitHub timed out. Okay, guys, let me pause this video and do this rightly and. Okay, guys, it seems I'm having a network issue right here now. So our next video, we'll be talking more on. Don't worry, I'll get this project today. We'll be talking more on what? On the concept of the app, how we're going to start building it, and what tools do we need. First of all, the construction of the structure is, the architect of the app is what we're going to work on. So I will do that with you guys. I'll first of all do a forehand, what I call it, a forehand or a heads up strategy. I'll create a heads up strategy. Then with that, I'll explain to you guys how things are going to seriously look like. Then we can embark on building this project. All right, guys, see you on my next video on this series. Yeah, I told you guys this is going to be a series, so I'm gonna pause out right now.